From precision slitting to secure packaging, GreenPak provides customized film roll solutions for a wide range of packaging applications. High-quality jumbo rolls are prepared for precision slitting and rewinding. Production parameters are verified before operation to ensure accurate specifications. Advanced slitting equipment ensures accurate widths and clean edges for every roll. Controlled rewinding helps maintain smooth roll surfaces and consistent winding quality. Each roll is clearly marked to identify the sealing side or corona-treated side, helping customers ensure correct handling and machine setup. Small rolls can be individually protected with PE film, EPE foam, or packed in customized cartons. Large rolls are protected with PE film, EPE foam, craft paper, and palletized for secure transportation. Clear labeling ensures full traceability throughout production, storage, and delivery. Multiple protective layers help prevent moisture, dust, edge damage, and deformation during shipment.